Hey everyone, and welcome back. Man, I'm so dang excited. For years and years, I've had people ask me to do some sort of advanced engine dynamics, tuning, cam, exhaust class to combine them all into one. I used to do them years and years ago when the big, trade shows were going on, like Cincinnati and Indianapolis and stuff like that. Used to do them all the time, and of course those shows kind of went away. So I wanted to make an announcement. I had mentioned before that I was going to do this class, and I decided to do something very special to kick off the training program that may expand into a lot of things. Maybe traveling to different regions over time, that sort of thing. But this class in particular is going to be very, very specific, very detailed. We're going to talk about engine science, dynamics, tuning in general. And by the time you leave, I don't care if it's a flathead Ford, a Model T, it doesn't matter, all the way to modern fuel injection, regardless of whose software you're using. I want you to walk away with a true understanding of engine dynamics, timing, fuel, octane, compression ratios, cam profiles, everything all in one shot. So at that point, there's no question, you will be a better tuner if you understand engines. Matter of fact, I'll tell you a short little story. When I used to do these classes at all of these, do these seminars and things, we could have 150, 200, 300 people in there, I think, was my record year in Cincinnati. I would always ask the same question, and it never failed. You would have the new guys sitting up front, you would have the shop owners, foremans, dealer principals in the middle, and it never failed. Back in the back, you would always have the old guys that have never turned on a computer, never done anything. And I would always start it by saying or asking the same question. How many of you can make a Super G run really, really well on an Ironhead Sportster? Most of the time, it was the old guys in the room that would raise their hand real slow, and I would say the same thing. Congratulations, you are the best tuners in the room. From that point, they became a sponge, and it was wonderful. People began to see that understanding engine dynamics, giving an engine what it wants, is the true essence and understanding of tuning. From there, you only need to learn software. That being said, I found a perfect picturesque setting that actually I attended while being in my friend Rob Schwartz from Rob's Dyno up in Gardner, Massachusetts. It's where his wedding was, and I had the pleasure of being in his wedding. Hartman's Herb Farm up in Massachusetts, a beautiful place. And that's where we're going to hold this. So here's how this deal works. We've got a very limited number of positions available for people that would like to stay on property at Hartman's Herb Farm and have my undivided attention on Friday night, all day Saturday, Saturday night, all day Sunday morning, to talk about all sorts of different things. That package would include their room and board for that Friday and Saturday night, as well as all catered meals, dinner, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and breakfast. All inclusive there. You simply just have to get to Hartman's Herb Farm. There's a next level of that for those of you that maybe you live locally or you want to provide your own housing or things like that. There's a second level where you do get to have dinner with us on Friday night and a big meet and greet, and let's talk about stuff. And then what we'll do on Saturday, we'll have breakfast. Everyone will come in. We will hammer out all sorts of technical stuff. We'll do the seminars, we'll do the teaching, and the latter part of Saturday, we're actually going to go to Rob's Dyno Service, and we're going to put all of the theories into practice on his dyno, and I'll show you every detail of everything we talked about. Then we're going to come back to Hartman's Herb Farm, and we're going to talk more dynamics, go through more of this conference and more teaching. Then we're going to do the same thing on Sunday morning. We're going to get up, we're going to gather, and we're going to talk tech, talk engines, and teach you as much as I possibly can. I'm very excited about this, but I'm going to tell you, the tickets are already selling. Please take a look in the in the video description. There's a link where you can buy your tickets, and you'll see the date, the location, the address, and all that stuff there. And I hope this is something, I would love to meet so many of you. Many have been asking for this for quite some time. And I look forward to seeing you guys there. As always, thank you for your support. And on the second part, if you have been a channel member for over a year, you get a discount. So if there's any channel members interested, make sure when you buy your ticket, you shoot me a message, let me know. I'll make sure you get your discount. Thanks a lot, everybody. I look forward to seeing you there. Be well, and have a good one.